So in the previous video, I was showing how to create a website in WordPress. But now the website is ready, it's live, but how do you get access to it? So there are two different ways that you can have access to the website. I will show you the first one, that is through the hosting provider. So if the website is hosted in a hosting provider is live, you can usually just have access to it through your hosting provider. So in that case, I will go to the same place that I've installed it, to the app installer, and I will see my installation. So you can see here, there's also somewhere here that I can click here to see too. So when I click here installation, I see that I have my website now there. That's Miss Polly website. So when I click here, I will see some options. So here's the website itself. It takes me live to the website. But notice that I'm not the admin of this website yet. I'm not visiting this website as the admin. I'm visiting as a visitor. I'm just having access to the front page of it. I cannot edit anything. I cannot change anything. So what I will do is I will manage my installation here. So when I click here, it will give me some options. It will give me the option to manage plugins. If I click here, it will list the plugins that I have installed in my computer or in my website. In that case, I don't have many because there's the default installation. I can also manage themes. This is a good access to it because let's say that you have a broken plugin and your website is down because of that. You cannot have access to the website as the admin anymore to disable the website, disable the plugin there. But because you have access through the hosting provider, you can go there and disable the plugin there, and then you're gonna fix the website because you have it's like a backdoor that you can just go and have access to the back end of it, to the interface, without really needing to log in there to remove the plugin or the theme or whatever is wrong there. So it is handy to use it, to have access to it, but it's not the way that we usually edit the website, okay? So what we will do is once the website is live, you don't really need to go back to your hosting provider to check your application from there. You can go straight to your website. So you go to, in your case, will be your domain where the website is live, and then you're gonna log in. Here you're gonna put wp-admin, and then it will take you to the login page. Here you will put the username and password that you chose for your website. In my case, it was Miss Polly, right? And I hope I remember my password, but let's try. And I will log in. And now I have access to my website. So now I'm logged in as the admin. You will see this black tab at the top here where it says the name of my website. It says Howdy Miss Polly because that's my name, the admin name. And I'll have all the options here to manage my website, to create pages and posts, to manage media, to change my themes, to install plugins, change configurations, settings, to edit the website the way that I need. So this is the usual way that you will log in. You really don't need to go to the hosting provider to have access to your dashboard as the admin of the site, but it's important to have access to this part too, because if you have any problem that you for some reason cannot have access to the back end, to the login area, to your dashboard as the admin, you can use this environment here to change a few things or to regain access to it. Okay, so these two are two great methods to log in to your website.